In this video, we're checking out MBRP's Performance Series exhaust for the Can-Am 450 Outlander. Hey guys, Martin Barkey here. Today I've got the 450 Can-Am Outlander in the shop. I've got a product offering from MBRP I want to show you, but first, let's see what the factory sent us. So, if your ATV is 5 or 6 years old and you still got factory exhaust on, it most likely looks like this. You know what? It did the job, it is factory. Cut the noise down. Doesn't look all that great, doesn't sound all that great, but MBRP has an answer for you. So quickly, direct bolt on, super simple. Up here is a factory clamp, and from that clamp you can see MBRP front pipe. It's a two-piece unit, and from there we get into the high flow mandrel bend, and of course from there into the high flow 5-inch OD stainless steel MBRP muffler. From there you're going to see we've got TIG weld brackets, laser cut bracketry of course, mounts to the factory hanger location. So man, it is so simple. And with that comes billet end cap and of course our US forestry approved spark arrestor. It doesn't get any easier than taking off that stock one and bolting that one on. It only takes minutes. Now, it looks cool. I know it sounds cool. I'm taking it outside and I'm going to give you guys a listen. So as soon as I fire it up at idle, I know it's a bigger sound. You bring some revs up to it, and I can tell it's definitely an aggressive note or an aggressive ATV. Let's go for a little rip. So I mean, if you're buzzing along, here I am at 40 kilometers an hour. Definitely going to, like it's aggressive, not obnoxious here at this. If I was to run bush roads all day kind of thing, I would definitely, I wouldn't have an issue with it. But on the flip side, if you're running in and around houses and, on and off the throttle, you're definitely going to get aggressive and be noted. Now you've seen the install. Nice simple install, clean, TIG welded, stainless steel, billet end cap, the whole 9 yards. So you've got the workmanship and the craftsmanship from MBRP that you've come to expect. Now if we go up here, we'll give it a little rip and let you hear it wide open. Yeah, that's aggressive. Sounds good. Definitely sounds good, but I'm definitely going to hear it. And you know what? As you play with the throttle and as you, get on and off it, I would say it's equally as aggressive as that wide open. So the neat part is, I would say it is a deep low note. It's not a buzzing sound that might get in your helmet at the end of the day. Now, I think some people will find it too aggressive for their liking. But if you're aggressive minded and that's your, what you're going for on your Outlander, now keep in mind this does the 450 and the 570. Looking for mellow, I would say our MBRP Performance Series is not the way to go. Looking for an aggressive exhaust note for your ATV, I would say this is definitely the way to go. That's it for this one. Throw your comments down below. I look forward to checking them out. And of course, please like and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you the content.